In the heart of a bustling city, surrounded by the humdrum of daily life, lay a forgotten canvas. It was tucked away in the attic of an old art gallery, covered in decades of dust and cobwebs. This canvas, once vibrant with colors and life, had been overlooked for years. It held the final masterpiece of a renowned artist named Elara, whose works had once captivated the world with their raw emotion and intricate beauty. Elara's life had been as colorful as her paintings. Born into a family of artists, she had shown a prodigious talent from a young age. Her works were celebrated for their ability to evoke deep emotions and transport viewers into her world. Each brushstroke told a story, each color choice a reflection of her innermost thoughts. But as she neared the end of her life, she poured all her energy into one final piece, a canvas that embodied her appreciation for art and beauty in its purest form. Elara passed away before the painting was ever revealed to the world. The gallery, in its grief, inadvertently tucked away her last work, forgetting the magic it held. Years turned into decades, and the world moved on, leaving Elara's legacy buried in the shadows of time. Lena, a young and aspiring art curator, had always been fascinated by the old gallery. She loved the stories it held, the whispers of the past that seemed to echo through its halls. One rainy afternoon, as she was exploring the dusty corners of the gallery's attic, her eyes caught a glimpse of something unusual. It was the forgotten canvas, its edges peeking out from beneath a tattered cloth. Curiosity piqued. Lena carefully uncovered the painting. The sight that met her eyes was nothing short of breathtaking. Despite the dust and age, the colors still shimmered with an ethereal light. The painting depicted a serene landscape bathed in twilight, where every detail, from the gentle sway of the trees to the distant mountains, was rendered with a precision that bordered on the divine. Lena felt a rush of excitement. She knew she had stumbled upon something extraordinary. She spent the next few days researching the painting's origins and soon realized the significance of her discovery. It was Elara's final masterpiece, a piece of art history that had been lost to time. Determined to restore the painting to its former glory, Lena sought the help of an experienced art restorer named Marco. Marco was a master in his craft, known for his delicate touch and keen eye for detail. Together, they began the painstaking process of bringing the painting back to life. As they worked, Lena and Marco were captivated by the intricacies of Elara's technique. Each layer of paint, each subtle shift in hue, revealed the depth of her talent and her profound appreciation for beauty. Marco often found himself lost in the painting, marveling at how Elara had managed to capture the fleeting beauty of a twilight landscape with such precision and emotion. The restoration process was long and arduous, but it was also deeply rewarding. Lena and Marco formed a close bond over their shared passion for art, and their admiration for Elara grew with each passing day. They knew they were not just restoring a painting, they were bringing a piece of history back to life, ensuring that Elara's legacy would be appreciated by future generations. With the painting fully restored, Lena and Marco planned a grand unveiling at the gallery. They wanted the world to see and appreciate Elara's final masterpiece. The news of the discovery spread like wildfire, and art enthusiasts from all over the world eagerly awaited the event. The night of the unveiling was a spectacle of art and beauty. The gallery was adorned with Elara's other works, creating a journey through her artistic evolution. The air buzzed with anticipation as the guests mingled, sharing stories of how Elara's art had touched their lives. When the time finally came, Lena stepped onto the stage to address the crowd. She spoke passionately about the journey of discovering and restoring the painting, about Elara's incredible talent and her deep appreciation for beauty. As the curtains were drawn back to reveal the masterpiece, a collective gasp echoed through the gallery. The painting seemed to glow under the soft lights, its colors vibrant and alive. It was as if Elara herself was present in the room, sharing a moment of pure beauty with everyone. The guests were moved to tears, their hearts filled with a deep appreciation for the art and the story behind it. The revelation of Elara's final masterpiece marked the beginning of a new chapter in the appreciation of art and beauty. The painting, once forgotten in the dusty attic, now shone with a brilliance that captivated hearts and minds around the world. Its unveiling had sparked a fervor, an awakening to the timeless nature of art and its ability to connect souls across generations. Lena and Marco, buoyed by the overwhelming response at the gallery, organized a global tour for the painting. They believed that such beauty should not be confined to a single place, but shared with the world. The tour began in Paris, the city of light and love, where art was celebrated with a fervor that matched their own passion. The painting was displayed in the Louvre, drawing thousands of visitors each day. Art lovers, critics, and even those who had never set foot in a gallery before were mesmerized by Elara's work. From Paris, the painting traveled to London, Rome, New York, Tokyo, and beyond. Each city welcomed it with open arms, and every exhibition was a celebration of art and beauty. In each venue, Lena and Marco held talks and workshops, sharing the story of Elara's life and the incredible journey of discovering and restoring her final masterpiece. They encouraged people to look beyond the surface and appreciate the deeper emotions and stories that art could convey. The global tour reignited interest in Elara's other works, leading to comprehensive retrospectives that showcased her evolution as an artist. These exhibitions featured her early sketches, vibrant landscapes, and emotive portraits, allowing visitors to trace the development of her unique style. They saw how her technique had matured, how her choice of colors had become more deliberate, and how her brushstrokes conveyed a deeper understanding of the human condition. Critics wrote extensively about Elara's contributions to the art world, praising her for her ability to capture the essence of beauty in its many forms. Scholars analyzed her works, drawing connections between her personal experiences and the themes she explored in her paintings. Elara's story became a subject of study in art schools, inspiring a new generation of artists to pursue their passions with the same dedication and authenticity. For Lena, the journey with Elara's masterpiece marked the beginning of a remarkable career as an art curator. Her keen eye for detail, coupled with her deep appreciation for art, made her a sought-after curator for major galleries and museums. She continued to uncover hidden gems, bringing lesser-known artists into the spotlight and ensuring their works received the recognition they deserved. Lena's exhibitions were known for their immersive experiences. She believed that art should not just be seen, but felt, and she curated shows that engaged all the senses. Visitors to her exhibitions found themselves transported into different worlds, experiencing art in ways they had never imagined. Lena's passion for storytelling through art created connections that went beyond the visual, touching the hearts and minds of all who attended. Inspired by the restoration of Elara's painting, Marco founded the Art of Eternity Foundation, dedicated to preserving and restoring forgotten artworks. The foundation's mission was to rescue pieces of art that had been neglected or lost to time, giving them a new lease on life. Marco assembled a team of skilled restorers who shared his passion and commitment to preserving art. The foundation worked on numerous projects, from restoring ancient frescoes in Italy to reviving contemporary works that had been damaged. Each project was a labor of love, and the foundation's efforts brought many forgotten masterpieces back into the public eye. Marco's dedication ensured that these works of art would continue to inspire and be appreciated by future generations. Elara's final masterpiece, with its breathtaking beauty and emotional depth, continued to captivate audiences long after the global tour ended. The painting found a permanent home in a new wing of the gallery where it was originally discovered. This wing was dedicated to Elara, and it became a place of pilgrimage for art lovers from all over the world. Visitors often spoke of the profound impact the painting had on them. Some found solace in its serene landscape, while others felt a deep connection to the emotions it conveyed. The painting became a symbol of enduring beauty, a reminder of the power of art to transcend time and space. Elara's story and her final masterpiece inspired countless artists to pursue their passions and create with authenticity and emotion. Art schools incorporated her works into their curricula, and her techniques were studied and emulated by aspiring artists. Elara's legacy was not just in her paintings, but in the lives she touched and the inspiration she provided. In the end, Elara's masterpiece became a beacon of hope and inspiration. It reminded the world that beauty could be found in the most unexpected places, and that art had the power to heal, connect, and transform. Lena, Marco, and all who had been touched by Elara's work carried forward her legacy, ensuring that her appreciation for art and beauty would continue to inspire and uplift humanity for generations to come.